Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about savings, looking for discounted items, promotions, stuff like that. On and off, I'm going to do like a review, unbox of some of the items that I purchased myself or it was sent by a seller or a merchant. So in this particular video, I'm going to be doing an unbox of the new Wyze Floodlight cam right here. So this is the latest one. This one is they're currently selling at Home Depot for $99. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it and see what they come with, and then probably in the next video I'm gonna do like the installation of it and see how hard or how easy it is to install the Wyze cam. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, before we open the box, let's go over the box itself. So it says here, brighter, safer, and more secure. And then on the side, it has Wyze cam Floodlight motions activated. Wyze cam Floodlight screw pack, 2 wiring nuts, rubber stopper, mount bracket, hook, quick start guide, and the Wyze app download required. Okay, and then over here we have 270 degrees motion activated floodlight, 1080p Full HD, and color night visions. I believe the camera they're using for this one is the Wyze Cam V3 versions, and 2600 lumens, super bright LED, IP65 rating, weather resistant, free cloud storage for 12 seconds video, 24/7 recording, person detections. I think the first maybe 12 days or 10 days they give you for free, and afterwards you have to subscribe. Extra USB port, power port. This is good because you can install like another camera to this floodlight. Enhanced two-way audio. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much it from the outside of the box. Let's see. Off the back, we see the quick start guide. We're not gonna go over that. You guys can read it if you guys are interested. But let's remove it. So here, what we have, the phone over there. Here, this is the base installation kit. So let's put the foam away. And here's the Wyze cams. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is the sensors right here. I think we can turn this. Maybe it should be this way, like this. So this way up, it has particulars label. Make sure you know we install it, and it's all protected by plastic piece. So make sure you know we don't damage it during the installations. And we can turn this however we want, 360 degrees. Same thing with this as well. And over here, I don't think we can remove it. Right here, like earlier I was mentioning, there's an extra X USB port. This one you can remove it, and you can install, put another camera in here. So that way, if you can record front and back, if you're interested, which is pretty neat. I like it. For the back, this one, it tells you specifically mount this up, and it has simple, just 2 wires, black and white. If I'm not wrong, the black is the hot and the white is the neutral. I guess this one doesn't come with the ground. Okay, so that's pretty. Over here it tells you wall mount or covered ceiling mount only, and the mount orientations. Okay, so put that away. And this is the hardware kit that it comes with. Let's see, what does it have? Exactly as I stated earlier, it does come with a 2 brown wire nut and 1 small screws, 1 bracket that tells you ground. Even though this has ground, but the wires doesn't have ground on it. And 1 long screws and a few 6 screws, two shorts and 4 longs. This one is for this one is to cover up the middle screws right here. Okay, so pretty much is when you install this is the 2 screws go into 2 bracket, and the center one will go straight into right here. Okay, so this is the screw that will hold the fixture to the wall or to the ceiling. Okay, and they even give you this one right here. This one just so you can hang this and hang the light, you know, so it doesn't fall. Okay, that's if you install it for yourself. So that's pretty much it for the light. I think it should be fairly simple. And on the bottom it has the whatchamacallit, the QR code. Okay, so that's pretty much for the installations. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, stay tuned for the I mean that's just for the unboxing. If you guys have any questions, you know, let me know. Other than that, stay tuned for the installation video. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.